Hello guys, how you guys are doing there? Welcome to my channel. This is Kamla Light New Mindset. This channel is about the digital products, affiliate marketing, make money online. I also go over mindset and motivation. That being said, if you are looking to learn about digital marketing, making money online, and do business, grow and scale on it, so you are welcome. Then I'm just gonna invite you to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and snatch notification bell, and you will be always notified when I upload new video. That being said, today I'm going to show you how to integrate a Weber account to your Clickfunnels, especially if you are in affiliate marketing. You will need this tool. And I make a precision. I say a new account. If you are new to this one, you will have to go over certain things that people who have already account cannot do. Like why I'm making this video, I was just following a video to set up my account, but I can see that my account is now working after follow all the steps. What is going on? Something was wrong, and I just want to invite you to join me here, and we got to go over it. So the account to Clickfunnels, it has a list there, but you as a new coming to this platform, you don't have any list there yet. You didn't connect your Aweber account to your Clickfunnels. I'm talking to Entry family. If there's someone there who is struggling, and just watch clearly this video. Watch clearly this video. Okay. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go to your Clickfunnels account. You can see the book that was showing there. I do have it here too. That's why I have to learn how to do this. And I know maybe there's someone out there who are struggling too. So you have to go to your Clickfunnels. Your click. Okay, guys, you get over to your Clickfunnels account. Here we are on my Clickfunnels account. So you go, you point your name. Okay, you click on setting. You click on setting. When you are on setting, you will come to here, and you have your name, your company name there. You go down after step. You come here. You come to integration. You click on integration. So when you click on integration, you will be here now, and you choose add new integration. Add a new integration, and you come here. You have Aweber here. We are talking about Aweber. There's different platform too, but right now is Aweber. So you come to Aweber. You select Aweber. Now you must name it. So you put it here Aweber. Okay. You put there Aweber, and you do what? When you put there Aweber, you click on. You already have an integration. Okay, I know, but I want to show my friend. Okay, and you put what you do. You must click. I don't know if I click this, what will happen to my account. So I'm not gonna click it. Okay, you have to click on connect and let me see what will happen. Allow. I have already. I did a mistake before. Like when you see there, I have two Aweber account on the system. So I don't want to allow this again. As soon as you allow it here, it will go to your account. Guys, I think I helped a lot of people this morning because I struggled for this about a week. And you know how I figured out finally? I have to be chatting with Clickfunnels people 3 times before I come to this point. So this all for this video. Make sure to click allow. When you click allow, you will see automatically the system will tell you that your account is connected. But me, I'm not gonna do that. So this, if it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more video. But let me tell you one thing before you go. If you didn't sign up before to a Aweber account, there's an opportunity here. You can sign up for your Aweber account. If I click on sign up for a Aweber account, it will ask me the information that I need to sign in. So like if you don't have a Aweber account before, you just have to sign in your first name, login information, and that is all. Guys, thank you. I know this video is very helpful. Share it with your friend. Under this video, I'm gonna leave a link to what I'm doing. Like I let you know that I'm doing affiliate marketing. I'm in digital product. So today we have to have some income coming to our account when we are sleeping. So I'm gonna leave it down here. There's a short video that will show you how a millionaire are making it without working like people who are were millionaire before they work hard than that. What we are doing now with internet, we can make a million. So there's a shortcut of millionaire. I'm gonna leave that link under this video. And also, if you want to subscribe to Aweber, I'm gonna leave the link of Aweber here. If you want to subscribe to ClickFunnels here, I'm gonna leave that link here too. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, share it, because now people need this information. Share it with them and see you on top. Thank you. Bye bye.